Hello everyone, welcome. Let me show you how I made this fall wreath for my friend.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
I'm so glad she loved it. Let's get going. Let me show you the materials I used for this beautiful wreath. The first thing I did was to clean the vine wreath. Sometimes this wreath comes really dirty with leaves inside, so I suggest you to give it a good clean. I am going to use this garland that I got at Hobby Lobby, but I'm going to cut them in pieces so I can have a better management of where to place them. I'm going to do the same thing with these pigs. These are seeds that are so cute. So I'm just cutting them in pieces to be able to manage them better and place them on my wreath easy. And I'm doing the same thing with these leaves. If you don't find exactly the same materials that I'm using, you can substitute it with something else. Just make sure that they are fall leaves and fall flowers, so you will be able to make a beautiful fall wreath. My friend asked me to please make this wreath for her, and she gave me an inspiration. She gave me a photo, and the photo, basically what it was that they used the same colors that I'm using here, and the wreath was full. So she pointed that out. She wanted it to be full, completely full. And I'm glad that I was able to achieve that look. Now what I'm doing here is gluing all the leaves. I'm going to use the Gorilla Glue, and I'm also going to use the Floral Wire when I need it. Now that I have all the leaves as the background of the wreath, I'm going to start adding all the flowers and all the different materials to the wreath. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to alternate them. I'm going to place them and kind of follow a pattern. In that way, the design's going to be more balanced. I'm cutting the stems a little bit shorter when I need to. And as you can see, I'm alternating and I'm making sure that I'm placing the same kind of flowers all through the wreath to make it a more cohesive design. You see? Take your time deciding where everything goes. Just enjoy the process. I always say that because, to tell you the truth, we do this to have enjoyment and to be creative and enjoy the process. Please let me know in the comments below if you decide to make a fall wreath, and let me know if you have any questions. At the end, I'm going to add a couple more items, But the reason why I don't add them right now, it's because I want to make sure that I place them in the right place. So what I suggest you to do as well is to hang it on the door temporarily, step back and take a look and see if it needs something else. It's starting to look fuller. I love how it looks already. Don't you think? It is so pretty. So now I am just making sure I glue everything that I added temporarily when I hang it on the door. As you can see, I added more flowers and I also added these beautiful orange cherries. I think it added a little bit of different texture to the wreath. And I decided to place all those orange cherries in the inner part of the wreath. And I believe they look beautiful there. So like I said, it's a good idea to step back and see where you need to add more. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.